Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Monday, December the 14th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound USD analysis.
The Great Britain pound slid down against the US dollar on Monday, decreasing the price of the pound US pair to less than 1.3300 ahead of the release of UK Claimant Count Change news.
Now this pair is currently trading around 1.3230. Whilst dropping, this pair might find the following support levels a little bit difficult to overcome. As support 1 is a 1.3105, which is a major horizontal support. Second support is at 1.3036, the lower trendline arm. Finally, the third support is at 1.3, even the 61.8% Fibonacci level.
And on the upside, the price of the pound US pair might hit some critical resistance levels. The first resistance will be 1.3333, which is the immediate 23.6% Fibonacci level resistance. And the second resistance will be 1.3410, which is the high of December 10th, 2020. And resistance 3 will be 1.3538, which is the key horizontal resistance.
Okay, so the news we need to keep an eye on is the UK Claimant Count Change news. The UK National Statistics plans to release these numbers concerning the claimant count this Tuesday, December the 15th. And as per economists' consensus, the UK Claimant Count Change news reached a reading of 50k in November as compared to a minus 29.8k in the previous month.
The UK Claimant Count Change stats reflects the prevailing unemployment conditions in the UK. The claimant count change is considered an important economic indicator since it reveals the purchasing power of consumers and can create volatility for the pound market. Generally speaking, higher numbers mean more people being unemployed, therefore are seen negative for the pound US pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, selling the pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the pound yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound nosedived against the Japanese yen on Monday, decreasing the price of the pound yen to less than 138 ahead of the release of Japan's Tankan large manufacturing index news.
So this pair, the pound yen, is currently hovering around the 137.62 with the following support levels. At support 1, we have 135.84, which is the lower trendline arm. Second support is at 135.29, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci level. Finally, the third support is at 135, even a psychological number.
So on the upside, the price of the pound yen pair may find some critical resistance levels, which makes it difficult for the price to pass through them. Looking at the chart, the first resistance will be 138.99, which is the Fibonacci retracement. The second resistance will be 139.78, which is the high of December 10th, 2020. And the third resistance will be 140.35, which is the upper trend line arm.
So the news that's might impact this pair is the Japanese Tankan large manufacturing index news. So the Bank of Japan anticipates releasing numbers for Tankan large manufacturing on Sunday, December 13th, which is very shortly. So this Japanese Tankan large manufacturing index news reached a reading of minus 15 in the fourth quarter this year as compared to minus 27 in the previous quarter.
The stats for Japan Tankan Large Manufacturing Index reflects the business conditions of the large manufacturing companies in Japan. Being an export-oriented economy, Japan relies heavily on its manufacturing industry. Therefore, the manufacturing index is considered an important factor for the Japanese economy. Generally speaking, a reading above zero is seen as positive for the Japanese yen, which suggests a bearish market for the pound yen pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the last couple of days, just like the pound USD, selling this pair around the current levels might be a sensible move in short to medium term trading. And as always, trade with your head, not your heart. Always trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Bye.